Hello, my name is John Doe. I plan on getting a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from FGCU, and then afterwards I want to get a general contracting license so that I can use that in my field of study. Here we have a x-axis hyperbola because the hyperbola goes through the x-axis, which is the otherwise known as the transverse axis, and with the center at HK, or the origin. The two vertexes, to the right is the H plus A K, and to the left we have H minus A K, and we have the two focuses on H plus C K to the right, and to the left we have H minus C K. The asymptotes, or the diagonal lines going across, are plus or minus B over A. The original equation is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. And to solve for b, you get b squared equals a squared minus c squared. And in order to find the focus, you have to look for c, and c is the square root of a squared minus b squared. Okay, now for the y-axis hyperbola. We have the center at HK and the vertex above the center and below the center. And for the vertex above center, it's H, K plus A, and below is H, K minus A. And for the focus, it's H, K minus C for below, H, K plus C for above, and the transverse axis goes along the y-axis, and the x-axis becomes the conjugate axis. And the asymptote becomes y equals plus or minus a over b, with the original equation being y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals 1. And to find c, C equals the square root of a squared minus b squared, and the two asymptotes goes along with the x and y axis. Here we have a parabola. It's a elbow pasta. I'm going to enlarge it because it's rather quite small. Pause it. right here we have the vertex, and over here would be the foci. And if I do it along this way, it's along the x-axis, so the parent function would be x squared over a squared. But if I put it this way, the vertex here and the foci here, it would be along the y-axis. It would make, and the parent function would be y squared over the a squared. And the asymptotes for this would be the y equals plus or minus a over b. And the asymptotes for this would be the y equals plus or minus b over a, with the asymptotes going along this way or that way, depending on how I drew the elbow.